if you plan on becoming a content creator in this year 2025 and you're still having the challenges of how do I start, where do I get this from, what do I do first, like all the questions that comes when it comes to you starting up a content creation journey, my dear, I got you covered. Join our 31 days content creation journey and I promise you're not going to regret it. Okay, today is actually the 10th day in this journey, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually achieve this very thumbnail that you just saw on this video. Okay, so if you're interested, are you interested? Stick around, let's dive right into the video. So straight into Canva app, I'm going to go straight to Canva and click open, and straight to thumbnail, click open. So I'm gonna go straight to choosing the element. So if you already have a background you want to use, you can skip this step. So I'm gonna choose on element for AI because that is what I want. So I'm generating my own image. So we click right, generate your own image, and we are here. So you are asked to describe what you would like to create. So what would I like to create? I would like to have a living room that is decorated in a white background. So I type a white background living room. Okay, a white background decorated living room. Okay, so let's see what it's going to give us. So we came up with so many designs. So we have, can you see? So you're getting enough designs, and when you do this and you don't like, you go to generate again, click on it, and it's going to take you to another one. It brought out these ones this time. Okay, if you still don't like any of these, you still go to generate again, and it take you to another one. So this is what you're going to be doing till you get to what you love, like you get your taste. So the one I used for my thumbnail, I can't really access this right now because as you keep generating, you keep getting different kind of decorated living room. So I'm just gonna take one for this tutorial so that we don't waste or consume too much of time. Okay, so let's see which one we're going to choose. Let's just look for one that is a little bit catchy, that's going to match what we want to do. Okay, so which one do you think we should just choose? So just go straight. Okay, should we take this one? Should we try this? Okay, let's start again. Okay, it still gave me these ones. So if you see anyone you love, you can actually save it for later. Okay, I would have saved the one I used for later. It skipped my mind. So we'll just pick one from here. Let's see which one we're going to pick. They have so many. Okay, the more you keep generating, the more you keep getting confused on which to choose. So I'm just going to go straight to choose. Let me just choose this one. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it, tap on it, and it's going to appear right here in the box for the thumbnail you created. So drag it to fit the screen, okay, and arrange it how you want it to be. Where you want to appear, where you don't want to appear, you kind of zoom it out. So make sure you arrange it to look perfect so that when you position your image, it's going to come out looking nice. Okay, so I'm done like this. I love it this way. So I'm going to go straight to my gallery to pick an image that I'm going to insert right there. Before now, you should have your image background removed. We've discussed that in a previous video, so you can check it out to see how we remove background. So I'm going to go straight to, but before then, if you want to kind of blur your background, these are options for you. You can choose any of these blur effects to blur your background. Okay, so let's try this one. So you zoom it to fit this screen, and you can see the effect. You can see it's blur already. So I don't want this very one to be blur. I want it just the way it is, the original form. I don't want to blur this very one. So I take it out. Now let me go to my gallery and take the picture I'm going to be using for this activity. Okay, before you do this process, you have to have your picture kept, remove the background and store it. So let me check and pick one of the pictures. So this is the one I want to use. I tap on it, it's going to show me add to page, and I tap on it too, and it is here. So I'm going to drag it to fit the way I want it, so that it looks a kind of real. Okay, so I'm dragging it to be in between this table so that it could look like I'm resting on a table. Can you see that now? So it is given already. Okay, so if you are doing this, you keep positioning yourself until you fit in. Okay, so let me add text now. I click on add text, add the text box. Then I'm going to type, this background is fake. That's what the content of my thumbnail has. So I'm going to just click on it, tap on it, then bold it. Okay, I'm trying to expand it, and I'm going to drag it up. I hope you are getting the process. It's not that difficult. So you can see now I position it till I get to where it's going to be perfect, like it's going to be very visible for everyone that sees it. Okay, I think it's okay right here. So I'm going to bold it. I tap on bold, and you can see it is magnified now. So I'm going to do some kind of effect to make it pop. So I go to this outline effect. That's the one I want to use. Tap on it, and you can see it's changed. So I want the color to pop, and click on it again, then add the thickness, then change it to white. The color, I'm going to change it to white so that it's going to pop because it is black. Okay, so I choose my white color. Then here we are. Let me increase it again so that it's going to pop very well. It's going to make my write-up pop, so you can see how it is looking now. You can see the difference between now and then. Okay, so I'm gonna go again to add roundness to every of these, like to put everything together. You can see it is given already. Okay, so you keep positioning it until you get the perfect place you would like it to be, and it's going to be looking very attractive and catchy, that anyone who sees this will easily know what you're talking about. Okay, so I think this very positioning is okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm still going to go to effect to add any other thing I want to add. So I want to kind of touch my picture a bit. So when I click on this, you see this green purple here is for my very own picture. The other is for the background. So I want to work on my picture. So I can decide to add filters, but I don't want to use filter for this very one. Okay, so I'm leaving it to natural. I'm just going to go to effects. So right here I can choose to blur. I can just use to retouch my face. So let me touch my face a bit. Okay, this smooth skin just a bit. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the background itself to see if there is anything. I don't want to use this, so I'm just going to remove autofocus so that everything will go back to 0. Okay, so I'm just going to go to my background and add any other thing I want to add, because right now I'm done. Everything is set, just one thing remaining. So after this process, I usually go to corner and corner my picture. Okay, so corner rounding, this is equally something you need to add. It makes your video pop, it makes your thumbnail pop. I'm going to equally do it for the background so you can see how it is looking right now. Can you notice the change that just happened? You can see it kind of magnified the background, the thumbnail entirely. Okay, so it is set. Can you see what we just created? You can actually create something like this, you know. So check out if there is another thing you want to add, YouTube logo, all the, you know, all the many things we love adding to our thumbnail, and we can now save. So you click on save, it's going to save right to your phone, and that is what it is. So try out to see if you got the gist. Okay, and this is exactly how we do it. So if you want to become a content creator this year, or you want to level up how you edit your thumbnails, edit your videos, like everything that has to do with you creating a content, then what are you waiting for? You can actually join us simply by subscribing. And if this video actually satisfied what you are looking for, then give it a thumb up, give it likes, share it, and lastly, subscribe. Keep staying amazing. See you soon on our next video, and bye for now.